Patrick CHAMISA, who sounded like a constitutionalist in 2024, today, that same Patrick CHAMISA is defending public hearings that we would once have struggled to recognize as constitutional processes. The journey from legal caution to political enthusiasm has been educational. The peg, the replacement, and the revision of principle. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV la pahendo panapa yati zinoforu wa mnangagwaZim. CHAMISA is no longer Zambia's secretary for legal affairs. That role now belongs to Zambi, who has, with admirable efficiency, combined 3 roles into one. Party Secretary for Legal Affairs, Minister of Justice and Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Leader of Government Business in Parliament. It is a consolidation of power that will make Montesquieu reconsider his theory. It is also consolidation of narrative, because once the law, the legislature, and the party begin to speak with one voice, dissenting interpretations become inconvenient. Under the new arrangement, we are told something remarkable, that a presidential term of 5 years can become 7 years without altering the term. That lengthening is not changing. That arithmetic, when applied to constitutional provisions, is a matter of interpretation. And leading this effort is Virginia Mabiza, who has assured the nation that there is no legal basis for a referendum because Cap 3 does not touch the sacred trio, Chapter 4 and Chapter 16, or Section 328 itself. It is a tidy argument. It is also, as many lawyers have pointed out, selectively tidy because it carefully avoids the rest of the Section 328, particularly the party that deals with the term limits provisions and their effect. Doma developments are kudapangwa ine. When section videos of fundo email to deep on the page. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.